Hey guys, it's Stephanie here with The Authentic Budget, and I am back with another video. I am going to be sharing with you all some Happy Meal that I was so blessed to get. I did not know that the Aesthetic Dollar mystery bag sale sold out in 3 minutes. Let's see what I got in my mystery bag. I'm so excited, like really excited. I know I've been sounding kind of down and out in my last couple of videos, but you guys, life has been lifing. So I ordered these placeholders. I didn't have many $2,000 placeholders. In fact, I think I literally had one. So I wanted to go ahead and pick up some more of these. So now I have a total of 4 in my cash stuffing system. So that was something that I needed. And let's see what else I got. I can tell. Oh my gosh. I have this one already. Okay. All right, so I have this one already. So I will be giving this one away because I don't need to. And I will do a giveaway. So that'll be awesome for you guys. I am trying to grow my YouTube channel. So maybe when I reach 500 subscribers, that will be a part of the giveaway. Alrighty. And I got a little fly leaf here. And I got a cute little bag, cash bag. Okay, this is super cute. And I have her older cash bag. I love that color. Perfect. I love that. So, and then I got a little tweezer. Looks like the little thing you use if you have stickers. Okay, and I do have some stickers here. Let me see what this is. Holiday cash envelopes, self-care envelopes, health cash envelopes, tab envelope labels, annual cash envelope labels. Okay, so there's quite a few stickers here that I will use with that. And then I got your habits determine your future, a little card, and then on the other side it says create your aesthetic, create your budget, create your future. Amen. I love that. And then has a little card there. And then I got, what is all this? Let's check it out. Okay, so this is a bookmark. It says setting goals and crushing them. That's cute. I will definitely find a binder to put that in. And this is the Aesthetic Dollar. Okay, I'm not sure what this is. Let's find out together. Oh, I love this dashboard. Oh, that is so pretty. I love that. Okay, I will be putting that in one of my binders as well for fall. That's gorgeous. Okay, let's see. It looks like maybe January, February. Oh, it is. Oh, how cute. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Oh, how cute. Okay, so it's a dashboard for every month of the year. Oh my goodness, I bet I have a savings challenge that I could use for this. Oh, I bet I do. Okay, so you guys, that is the Happy Meal that I received. I will be giving away this and then along with this. So you guys stay tuned, and I most likely, I probably will give away some of these too. But yay, I'm so happy with my Happy Meal today. I love everything, and I'm glad that I'll get to share some of it with you guys as well. So until next time, y'all be blessed. Bye.